Ryan B, you're up, man. 1-2 top, 3-4 middle, 5-6 bottom. I'm going to try one of those 2007 Premier 5-6 bottom. And that last TEK. Last TEK baseball. This is box number 40 on the Premier. 2007 Premier baseball. I meant football. Reggie Wing. David Ball. That's a noteworthy autograph. And number to 75, Deshaun Wynn, right now. And John Beck, quad jersey, 199 autograph. Buff, Lee Evans, numbered to 99. Tony Gonzalez, good looking patch card, numbered to 99. Tony G. And all rookie team MJD. You dodged a redemption, I guess. I think from this case, I could be wrong, but I think we did get a Megatron and an AP out of this case. This is the last TEK from this case. Solarte, Yangervis Solarte. Mike Schmidt. Roberto Alomar. And we were due for a Mike Napoli. We were due. There's at least one per case. Mike Napoli autograph. Mike Napoli, Masahiro Tanaka, Tony Gwynn, and Mike Schmidt. And that'll do it. Thanks, Ryan. I'll get this out tonight, buddy.